What if I told you there's a molecule that some scientists believe could help slow down aging, maybe even reverse it? It sounds like science fiction, right? But for many people, it's becoming a real-life possibility. We all feel it, the little aches that weren't there before, the slower recovery after workouts, or just looking in the mirror and wondering where the time went. Aging is inevitable, or is it? I remember the first time I heard about NMN. A friend told me it was the fountain of youth in a capsule. Honestly, I thought it was just another overhyped supplement. But then I dug deeper. The science, the studies, the potential, it was too fascinating to ignore. Could this really be the key to feeling and looking younger? Today, we'll uncover the truth about NMN and what it could mean for you. To understand how NMN works, we need to start with a molecule that's already working behind the scenes in your body, NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's not a name you hear every day, but NAD+ is essential for life. It fuels critical processes like energy production in your cells, DNA repair, and even regulating your body's metabolism. Think of NAD+ as the engine oil that keeps your body running smoothly. Here's the problem: as we age, NAD+ levels naturally decline. In fact, by the time we reach our 50s, NAD+ levels can be half of what they were in our youth. This decline is strongly associated with many of the symptoms we associate with aging: lower energy, reduced physical performance, slower recovery times, and an increased risk of age-related diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and even neurodegeneration. But why does this happen? It's because your body is constantly using NAD+ to perform essential functions. Over time, your body struggles to replenish it as quickly as it's consumed. Add to this the stress of modern life, poor diet, lack of sleep, and environmental toxins, and the decline in NAD+ can accelerate even faster. This is where NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, comes into play. NMN is what's called a precursor to NAD+, meaning it's a building block that your body uses to create NAD+. When you take NMN, it enters your cells, is converted into NAD+, and helps restore those dwindling levels. Research into NMN is still relatively new, but incredibly promising. Most studies so far have been conducted on animals, but the results have been groundbreaking. For example, a 2013 study led by David Sinclair at Harvard Medical School found that older mice given NMN had energy levels and physical performance comparable to much younger mice. Think about that, a mice equivalent to 70-year-olds suddenly running like they were in their 20s. The improvements weren't just physical. NMN supplementation also enhanced mitochondrial function, the powerhouse of your cells, reduced inflammation, and improved insulin sensitivity, all factors that decline with age. These findings are critical because they point to NMN's potential to address aging at a cellular level, rather than just masking its symptoms. But what about humans? While we're still in the early stages of human research, the studies that have been done are exciting. In a 2021 clinical trial published in the journal Frontiers in Aging, healthy middle-aged adults who took NMN for 10 weeks showed significant improvements in aerobic capacity and muscle performance. Another study highlighted improvements in metabolism and cardiovascular function, two areas directly tied to aging. NMN also appears to play a role in protecting your brain. A study in the journal Aging Cell found that NMN supplementation could help maintain cognitive function by improving blood flow to the brain and protecting neurons. This opens the door to exploring NMN's potential in preventing age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Despite these promising findings, it's important to approach NMN with realistic expectations. While the science is robust, most human studies are still small, and we don't yet have long-term data to confirm NMN's effects over decades. That said, the short-term results are promising enough that many researchers believe NMN could be a major breakthrough in the science of aging. Now, let's talk about safety. So far, NMN has shown a strong safety profile in both animal and human studies. Participants in clinical trials reported no significant side effects, even at relatively high doses. However, because NMN is a supplement and not a drug, it's not regulated by the FDA in the same way as medications. This means quality can vary widely between brands. If you're considering NMN, look for a reputable company that offers third-party testing and transparent labeling. Some NMN supplements on the market are poorly formulated or contain less of the active ingredient than advertised. You don't want to invest in a product that doesn't deliver what it promises. One last thing to consider is the cost. High-quality NMN supplements aren't cheap, but the potential benefits may be worth it for those looking to invest in their long-term health. Many users report feeling increased energy, better focus, and improved physical performance within weeks of starting NMN. So, does NMN really make you younger? While it's not a magic pill that can stop time, the evidence suggests it could help slow down the aging process at a cellular level. By replenishing your body's NAD+ levels, NMN has the potential to restore energy, enhance performance, and even improve your quality of life as you age. It's an exciting frontier in the science of longevity, but as with any supplement, it's important to approach it with an informed perspective. Pair NMN with healthy habits, exercise, a balanced diet, and proper sleep, and you're giving yourself the best chance to age gracefully and feel your best. If NMN has caught your attention, here's how you can approach it responsibly. Do your research. Not all NMN supplements are the same. Look for brands with third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. Remember, cheaper options might not deliver what they promise. Start small. If you decide to try NMN, start with the lowest effective dose and monitor how your body responds. Some experts suggest doses between 250 mg and 500 mg per day, but this can vary. Pair it with healthy habits. NMN isn't a magic bullet. For the best results, combine it with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Think of NMN as a tool. It works best when your foundation is strong. Set realistic expectations. NMN can't make you 20 again overnight. But it might help you feel more energetic, recover faster, and stay sharper as you age. Be patient and consistent, and track any changes you notice over time. Taking care of your body is an investment in your future. Whether or not you choose NMN, every step you take to support your health is a step toward a better, stronger version of yourself. The idea of slowing down aging is fascinating, and NMN might just be part of that puzzle. While science continues to uncover its full potential, one thing is clear: you have more control over your health and vitality than you realize. Thank you for being here and exploring this journey with me. If this video sparked your curiosity, share it with someone who might benefit. Let's continue learning, growing, and thriving together, because you deserve to feel your best at every age.